Welcome. This is the video for this third step in the series of creating an RSS feed for a news page. In this particular segment, we're going to be going over the process of creating a page and adding that template that we created to the page. All right. So the first thing you need to do is go to your website and add a page that you want to put the template on. So I'm going to go to the plus new little symbol on the black admin bar and click page. And then I'm going to give it a title. And then I'm going to give it categories. I'm going to give it RSS and aggregator. And once I've got at least the name and the categories, I can hit publish. Once it's been published, I can then hit edit with Elementor. And that'll bring me to the edit with Elementor page. Now here I want to click on the gray folder. That'll open up the window that will give me access to my templates. And then I want to search in here until I find my RSS News Aggregator template. And I want to insert that. And voila, we now have an aggregator that is aggregating news sources from three sources that we know are lake-oriented sources. Currently, we're sourcing news from WisconsinLakes.org. We're sourcing information from the DNR. And we're sourcing information from Wisconsin, the Wisconsin River Alliance blog feed. These are the ones that are created in the template. The next step will be how to figure out how to find your own news feeds, your own RSS feeds, and then once you figure that out, the next step will be how to add those new feeds that you want into the website. All right. Thank you very much for listening to this tutorial. Hopefully, you'll find it useful.